Hey guys, do you ever want to try to grow your own food? Because I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So today we are going to take this, which looks foreign, but it's a regular cucumber just gone to seed. These cucumbers started out green and now they are this weird yellow color. So they are also ready to be harvested for seed. You always want to make sure that what you start with is not a hybrid seed, because if you have hybrid seeds and not something wonderful like this Suyolong cucumber from Commonwealth Seed Growers, you're going to end up with kind of a mutant. Not quite 100% chance of getting the correct form and habit that you started off with from the parent plant. A seed company I really love is True Love Seeds, and you can find their stuff at trueloveseeds.com. I got my Potawatomi beans there, and they're amazing. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to wait for this delicious little guy to go past this point, where this is kind of questionable. You might want to make cucumber water out of it. So you're going to let it get to the point where it looks like this. This guy is a little bit mushy on that end. It's a bright yellow hue, looking kind of almost like your summer squash color. But anyways, so we've got this guy. Cut him right down the middle. Don't go all the way through though. So we are going to just muscle our thumbs in there, break it open, just like so. Then I'll take this. First, I do this. So we're going to clean all this flesh out. And really, you don't need to waste this cucumber. You can peel this rind off and make a pretty nice cucumber water or whatever you want to do out of the flesh that's in here. Maybe slightly bitter, but if you put it in water and let it sit, it's really not bad. And I don't like wasting food, so, you know. So we're going to do that with the rest of this. Alright, so this is the easiest way I have found of cleaning all of what's called the locus off of the outside of the seeds. So basically, I remove all of the big fibrous pieces, like so, and then kind of use the holes in the colander to gently clean the outside of the seeds. Alright, next comes the good part, because this is the easy part. So you clean all that off. This is what I like to do, at least. And I like to use a regular dinner plate, because if they get stuck on there, it's very easy to gently get them off. So basically, I am just going to pat them all out so that they are in a singular layer. And then just let them dry over the next couple days. Being in a room with a fan is great. Just make sure that they are not too hot or humid. And in a few days, voila, you have all these seeds. So now I know you're probably wondering, what am I going to do with all these seeds? Give them away to your friends, save them in the freezer for later, because remember, food sovereignty is tribal sovereignty.